Welcome to today's review on the Smartstitch S-1501 Ultra embroidery machine. This powerhouse is truly a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their embroidery projects with speed, precision, and professional quality results in every stitch. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this embroidery machine at the best price in the market. The S-1501 Ultra comes equipped with 15 needles, allowing you to handle multicolor designs seamlessly without wasting time switching threads manually, which makes it perfect for both beginners and seasoned embroidery enthusiasts. Its 1,200 stitches per minute speed is remarkable, making even large projects faster to complete, and combined with a 20 by 14 inch embroidery area, you can work on larger items such as hats, caps, bags, and apparel with ease. The 12-inch touchscreen is intuitive and responsive, giving you control over designs, stitch adjustments, and machine settings effortlessly, while the Wi-Fi connectivity lets you upload designs directly from your computer or mobile device, which is ideal for staying creative without delays. For cap and hat embroidery specifically, the upgraded cap driver, reinforced with nylon and carbon fiber, along with a rotating trimming system and 270-degree cap rotation, ensures precise stitching, low noise, and stable operation, which is often a problem with other machines in this category. The automatic color change and thread break detection features prevent interruptions during your projects, while the self-lubrication system keeps the machine running smoothly with minimal maintenance. The machine also comes with a fully loaded starter pack that includes embroidery threads, stabilizers, and bobbin threads, so you can start creating immediately without extra purchases, and it can stitch on a wide variety of materials including denim, leather, vinyl, canvas, shoes, and even tennis balls, making it a versatile tool for any embroidery business or hobbyist. Another standout feature is the Smart Control System V6, which provides a memory of up to 100 million stitches, laser positioning, and newly added physical buttons for easy operation, allowing you to save designs and resume projects without hassle. For those concerned about learning the machine, Smartstitch offers a supportive community through their embroidery club, as well as operation manuals, video tutorials, and professional technical support both online and locally, ensuring your learning curve is short and stress-free. While the S-1501 Ultra is a high-end machine with an investment, its combination of speed, precision, large embroidery area, multiple automatic features, and strong support makes it worth every penny for anyone serious about embroidery, whether running a small business or pursuing complex projects at home. You will notice the difference in productivity and quality immediately, especially when embroidering structured hats or caps where other machines often struggle with alignment or stability. The design is robust, combining metal and plastic components that ensure durability while still being user-friendly, and it has a reasonable footprint for a commercial machine, fitting neatly into your workspace without being overly bulky. Overall, this machine brings together professional-grade capabilities, modern conveniences like Wi-Fi and touchscreen control, and beginner-friendly support into a single package that is highly efficient, reliable, and versatile. Remember to check the link in the description below to secure the Smartstitch S-1501 Ultra at the best price and start creating professional quality embroidery with ease, speed, and precision today.